Yeah, tell about yourself.
Myself Surya. So I'm currently working in a startup named as Parts to Product since for 1 year. So apart from that, I'm a tech enthusiast. So I'm working as a front-end developer over here. So I will teach some students as well as I have some done projects in front-end. Apart from that, I have pursued my degree in PSI Engineering College. That's all from myself.
Okay. So actually, what you do in front?
Yeah, I can able to teach students.
You
I'm
teach.
teaching students over here.
Okay, in front end. So what
Yeah.
topics?
Yeah, HTML, CSS, JavaScript as well as Bootstrap.
Bootstrap. So you have done any projects?
Yeah, I have done some projects as well as I have my own portfolio as well.
Portfolio.
Yeah.
Okay. So it was built by you?
Yeah, it was completely built by me.
Okay. So yeah. So have you done Python?
Yeah, so I'm currently looking for a full stack development job with stream of Python. So I have completed my Python in an institute.
So can you please tell something about Python?
Yeah, Python is now top programming language in 2023. So it is the one of the top most programming language. So it can be used for AI as well as data science, etc. etc.
Okay. So what about else Python?
Sorry?
What or nothing? That's it about Python.
No. We can use it for backend as well as we can able to build an app using Python as well as we can use it for face recognition, etc. etc.
Okay. Can you explain something about dictionary?
Dictionary.
Yeah.
Dictionary is a group of functions. I don't know about it exactly. I think so.
Group of functions.
Yeah.
Okay. List.
List. List is a set of numbers or else set of datas. We can store it if, for example, in a class there are 10 people's means we can store it in an variable as a list so that we can able to call it from index value. Index value is nothing but an ID. That's it.
Okay. So can you show how it looks?
Yeah.
So what index? Based on negative index. Okay, there are two index. I know. So I think you are aware of that. So based on negative index, what it will come? This two. Based on negative index.
2
Yeah,
minus
Yeah, you can put.
minus 3 LF minus 3 I think so.
Minus 3.
I don't know exactly, minus 3 or else minus 2.
Okay. So it is starting from minus 1, minus 2,
Minus 3. Yes, exactly.
That's correct. So do you know any inbuilt functions in Python?
Inbuilt functions. Int is an inbuilt function.
Int.
Input is an inbuilt function.
Okay. So what it does?
Int literally it changes string into an integer or else text into an integer. Input will get input from user and then we can store it in a variable.
Variable.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So do you know what type of Python? Is it a compiler or interpreter?
Python uses interpreter, which means it will runs by line. If an error occurs means it will stops in that line itself.
Then what about compiler?
Compiler will run whole program. If an error occurs means it will completely run the whole program. After that it will show the error.
Okay.
So it will take some time. Compiler will take some time, but interpreter we can save the time as well.
Okay. So do you know something about OOPS?
Oops. Yeah, object oriented programming.
So can you tell something?
Inheritance, polymorphism, like that.
Okay. So these are features in that.
Yeah.
So what is inheritance?
I don't know exactly about it.
You don't know.
I remember. I didn't remember it.
Mhm.
I forgot.
So do you know about class?
Yeah, class I know about
Yeah.
it. Class and objects are mm, class is like an function. So if we for example in a class in a BCA, for example in a BCA there are we can able to create two objects, so that if I am Surya means another person Dinesh means we can iterate it with class.
Okay. What about objects?
Objects are subject of class.
Okay. Subject of class.
Subject means it's an function. We can iterate it. Object can iterate it with class.
Okay. Okay. So anything else you want to ask? Yeah. So you can.
Thank you for this.